Okay. Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiftar.
Hi, I'm Leka Lutfia Putri. Today we will discuss Impressionism.
Okay. Hi, Via. I just read about Impressionism. They say it's one of the most influential art movement, right?
Yes, that's absolutely right. Impressionism is one of the biggest revolutions in the art world.
What makes this movement so special compared to other art styles?
One of the unique things is the way they painted. They try to capture moments as quickly as possible, like flashes of light and changing colors.
Do you mean they paint quickly?
Yes, they focus more on the fleeting impression rather than perfect details. It's very different from academic art that is more realistic.
Oh, so they impress feelings rather than making paintings that look exactly like the real thing.
Exactly. In addition, they use short brush strokes and bright colors to make the light effect more alive.
That's interesting. But I read that at first they were not accepted by art institution, right?
That's right. Their work was considered strange and did not meet the standard of art at the time, which is why they even had to hold their own exhibition in 1874.
Wow, that's cool. So they were brave enough to go against the flow.
Yes, they fought hard to show that art does not always have to follow the rigid academic rules.
By the way, who were the artists involved in the impressionist movement?
There were many, but some of the famous ones are Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, and Camille Pissarro.
Oh, I have heard of Manet. So this movement was kind of a protest against the old art system.
Exactly. They wanted to prove that art can be free and evolve according to the artist's expression.
That's really cool. I also read that they use new technology to help with their work, right?
Yes, one of the biggest innovations at the time was oil paint in tubes. This allowed them to paint outdoors.
Oh, so before that, they could only paint in studios.
Exactly. Before that, they had to mix their own paint, which was quite complicated.
I also heard they use new brushes that were more flexible. Did that help them too?
Yes, it did. This brush allowed them to freely create texture and movement in their paintings.
So, beside new technique and tools, they also had a wider color palette.
Yes, thanks to advances in chemistry, they could use brighter and more durable colors.
No wonder their paintings look so lively and full of light.
Exactly. That's what makes Impressionism unique and influential even today.
Now, I'm curious to see their paintings in person.
If that's the case, we should go to an art museum. Many big museums have collections of Impressionist paintings.
Great idea. I want to learn more about how they change the artwork.
Let's go. I'm sure once you see them up close, you will fall even more in love with Impressionism.